Quick Buy, Unpacking the Phrase for English Learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase you might encounter in shopping contexts. Quick buy. Whether you're navigating online marketplaces or bustling retail stores, understanding this term can be incredibly useful. So, let's break it down and make sure you can use it confidently in your next shopping adventure. Quick buy is a phrase that you might see on websites, in advertisements, or hear in conversations. It suggests an immediate purchase, often with the implication that it's a hassle-free or time-saving option. It is made up of two words. Quick. This word indicates something done with speed or without delay. Buy. This means to acquire something in exchange for payment. When combined, these words encourage the consumer to make an expeditious decision to purchase. You might wonder where or when you would encounter quick buy. Here are a few scenarios. 1. Online shopping. E-commerce platforms may have a quick buy button to allow for a faster checkout process. 2. Sales and promotions. During special sales, items might be labeled as quick buys to indicate they are discounted for a short period and should be purchased promptly. 3. Last-minute deals. Travel and ticketing websites often use quick buy for deals that are about to expire or sell out. In all these cases, the phrase is meant to create a sense of urgency. Using or responding to quick buy offers has implications. Convenience. It implies a simplified and faster shopping experience. Impulse buying. It can sometimes lead to quick decisions without thorough consideration, also known as impulse buys. Limited time. There's often a time constraint associated with the offer, suggesting that delaying could mean missing out. It's essential to understand both the appeal and the pressure that can come with quick buy scenarios. And there you have it. Next time you come across a quick buy offer, you'll know exactly what it entails and how to approach it. Remember, while it can be a fantastic way to snag a deal quickly, always take a moment to consider your purchase. We hope this explanation helps you shop smarter and with more confidence. Happy learning and happy shopping!